Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this video is another video about, this morning I just made one on finding the width of a line. Now we're going to find the differences in some line. So I've got some lines that have round end caps and I've got some that have square. I wasn't going to make a video just for that, but then I realized there's another way you could change it and make it really helpful. So let's go to Edit, Find Object, New Search, hit Next. We want to do outline, we want to check outline properties, and right here we want to find all the ones that have a round end cap. Next, Finish, Find All, X out of that, and it found my lines that have a round end cap where the other ones on this side don't. Now I wasn't going to make a video for that because it's not that big a deal, but this would be a big deal. If you've been drawing quite a bit and you didn't scale them to object, let's just do this. And I do this all the time. I draw real big and then I realize the customer only wants it this big. Well, look at the lines. The only two lines that are showing are the lines that I scaled to object. Now you could set your line to scale with object defaultly, but a lot of people don't, and people send me files and want to open them up and then draw it. But you could find the lines that are not scaled with object, or you can find the lines that are scaled with object. So go up to Edit, Find Object, Begin New Search, Outline Property, Next. This time we're going to check Scale with Object. It says Scale with Image here. Go ahead and find All, X out of there, and it found the lines that are scaled with object. So let's make these smaller, and you can still see they're distinguishable lines. If we take the ones that are not and squunch them in, they won't be lines anymore. They'll just be a mass of blobs of black. So let's back up here. So what you could do, let's back all the way up. What you could do is, if you had this drawing, let's back all the way up. We found those two lines. We're going to set our nudge factor on 20 inches. We're going to select those two that Corel, well, let's just do it from start again. Edit, Find Object, Begin New Search, Outline Properties, Scale with Image, Finish, Find All, and then let's nudge that over. Then you could take these lines and select them all, and you could have done the whole thing, I guess, too. Scale with Object, and then nudge these back, and then when you select everything and scale it down to real small, they're still distinguishable lines. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you.